We are here at Touch and Go Car Wash in Des Moines, and we're gonna go through both of their bays. This one is the unattended one, even though they have the free wash set up. Well, not really anymore. There's the sign right there. Here's the travel bay.
Oh, guess who we're joined by today?
Car wash features.
Yep, we're back at the Touch and Go Car Wash.
After 10 months. Here's the sign. And the box. I think they, yeah. Let me see. I don't think, no, it won't. Here, let me get a thumbnail photo. Let me get a thumbnail.
Yeah, give you a thumbnail.
Okay.
Your thumbnail.
And then here's the side blasters. They've done some updates to this wash, which we'll see in a moment. Yeah. Tri-foam arch.
They're both tri-foam conditioners.
Oh, I think that's new.
Yeah, do you know that this has two tri-foams? One's wax, one's
Oh yeah, tri-foam wax, and then that one's I think tri-foam conditioner.
This is a nice levitating brush.
Yeah.
Look at this levitating brush.
Wow.
Yep, of course, typical rock.
And then,
features.
yeah.
There's your pneumatic cylinders.
Yep, pneumatics. And then they got rid of the rocker blasters and put in
Brushes.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, the rocker brushes, and they put in rocker blasters. I'm not sure if these. No, I don't think these pivot. Yep.
Oh.
Tri-foam wax.
They're steel wax and flat free.
Yep, and then the dryers over here.
And we have a two producer slim line here and a Thrust Pro overhead here.
Yeah, this is a slim thrust, and then this is a full thrust pro.
That's not the slim line.
It's called slim thrust in the
That's
tunnels.
not an official name, I don't think.
Oh, maybe not. Okay. Here's the sign over here.
Yep.
And then we're gonna
Go to the other one.
Yep, go to the other bay right here. See the same sign
going to the other
with
bay.
Mr. Garbage.
What?
Mr. over there.
Yeah,
Garbage.
sure it's not a great place to go. We should just come to a locally owned wash instead.
Like this one, yeah. Scroll cage kind of broken up there. And the dryer. This side has one rocker brush on this side, but they got rid of the brush on this one.
Yeah, it's okay. As long as they disconnect the powers, it looks like they have.
This is a air hose for this. I think it'll turn on if I step on it.
No, it's for the rocker brush, so it connects to everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they just disconnect.
Yeah.
For a good reason.
Yeah. Seems like they got a new bottom brush for that one.
It does look like it, sure.
Simon Eyes, apparently.
Yeah, wash the cyanide chemicals.
Yeah, I think this is an onboard chemical stand.
Yep, most of the equipment's in the back room of this place, though.
Yeah. And then they have the air manifolds here.
Oh, and you guys have seen my car wash collection videos. This is where I got my tire shine sign from. So
Wow.
A huge thank you to Touch and Go for that.
Yeah. Sky foam.
You know,
This is the undercarriage wash.
this light looks kind of new for some reason. I don't know.
Yeah, it looks clean.
Yeah, they cleaned it. I'm sure about that.
Yeah.
I'm
And
sure they
the
cleaned
blaster. This side.
it. Oh, yeah, ultrasonic vehicle.
Yeah, this one's not connected, so you can just go.
Yeah, that happens.
Yeah.
And here's your ultrasonic vehicle mapping launch.
Yep. And then the blaster right here. Not sure why the hose is going over it.
No, no, it's okay.
And you got the code box there.
Yep, this is error code 73, as you can tell.
Yeah. So now let's go through it. Someone's blasting music outside.